Today I'm going to show you how to turn this cardboard box into a very impressive Predator's helmet.
What is it?
Meredith, did you hear that?
There's something in those trees.
First, get the templates from my shop in the description box below, separate them and stick them on your cardboard with glue. I also linked in the description all tools and products that I use in this tutorial video. Now use a precision knife, a box cutter or a very sharp scissor to cut out the pieces. Repeat this for all the pieces of this tutorial. What is it? Meredith? What is wrong with you?
I think there's something in the living room. I guess it's nothing.
Start by cutting piece number 1, crush its folds to make it flexible, and glue the notches. I'm going to put some traps here and there though, just in case. Do you remember the Michael Myers thing? Yeah, I don't want it to happen again.
We can kill it.
Repeat the process for piece number 2, and attach piece number 2bis on its edge at a slight angle. And do the same for piece number 3. Now glue piece number 2, aligning its tip with the tip on the piece number 1 and put the other end of piece number 2 flush with this edge here. Then glue piece number 3 underneath, aligning this tip with this tip on the piece number 1 and glue the top edge onto the piece number 2. Next, cut piece number 4, crush its folds to make it a bit curved and glue it on this edge here. Then cut piece number 5 and glue it on top of piece number 4.
What makes you think he'll come in through here?
There are traps everywhere in our apartment, so if he's in our home, as I think he is, this is the only way in. Oh, then cut piece number 6, crush its folds to make it curved, and glue it on this narrow edge here. Afterward, cut piece number 7, crush its folds, glue the notch, and attach its edges in the middle of pieces number 5 and 6. Just a cat.
So what are you gonna try next? Cheese?
Raphael. Next, using the reversed template, repeat these steps for the outer half of the mask. Then cut piece number 8, crush its folds, fold the bottom edge to create a tight curve, and glue the notches. Attach this edge to the top edge of piece number 6 here, and do the same for the opposite edge. Go! Get to the car! Next, cut a small square of cardboard and glue it behind the mask between the eyes to keep a narrow gap between the top and the bottom part of the mask. Then cut piece number 9, crush its fold, glue the notches and attach this edge on the inside edge of the piece number 8, aligning its tip with the middle of the mask. What am I doing? I see you. And of course glue the reversed pieces on the other side and glue the two pieces together in the middle. Then glue the number 10 on this edge here and the reversed 10 on the opposite side. Now I have a score to settle.
We both got scores to settle.
Cut pieces 11, 12 and 13, crush their folds to make them curved, glue them together in their middle edges, and glue the whole piece on the reversed piece 7. They couldn't see me. Okay, using non-corrugated cardboard like cereal boxes, Amazon envelopes or even rolls of toilet paper, cut a 2 cm wide rectangular piece and make a wall with it. Just leave a small hole in the middle. Make 3 walls like that and make a 4th one without leaving a hole in the middle. Cut 8 small pieces like that, glue them on top of each other to get a thick element, and glue it on the side of the wall with no hole. Make 2 more the same way and glue them on the other side of it to get a star shape. Cut 3 more pieces, glue them in between here, and glue the last 3 walls you made before on these, positioning them a little bit forward. And glue the whole element inside this hole. Next, cut a thick rectangular piece of cardboard, cut its corners, glue it on the piece number 7, glue another piece in the middle, and make 3 small holes with a precision knife. At this stage, don't hesitate to correct the shape of your mask if you feel the need for it. To hide all of these imperfections, apply a filler to smooth out all surfaces. Well, not mud of course. Make it by mixing 2 parts of acrylic paint, 1 part of cornstarch or baby talc, and add drops of water until you get the right consistency. Or you can buy a ready-made mixture on Amazon. I've linked a good one in the description box below. Apply it with a brush on the entire mask, add drops of water to make the application easier, but not too much to avoid soaking the cardboard. Sand all surfaces with sandpaper and add drops of water to make the sanding easier. Now at this stage you can paint your helmet if you want. To do so, check out the video in the description box below where I show you how to paint Michael Myers' knife, as I would use these exact same techniques to paint this helmet. In this video I'm just going to apply paper to keep the cardboard look. Soak them into the mix, crush the paper a little bit to make it easier to apply, and cover the entire helmet. Use clay tools or the back of a knife to apply paper more efficiently in narrow areas. Remove most of the piece from the back of the visor and cut out the remaining with your precision knife. At this point, the gap should stay as it is. With a grey pencil, darken the lasers and also this outer element on the other side. To make it shiny and durable, apply 2 layers of glossy varnish. For the visor, use a grey mosquito net like this cheap one I got from Amazon. Cut a piece large enough to cover the entire visor area and glue it on the edges of the visor on the back of the helmet.
Come on! Come on! Do it! Do it!
And if one layer is too translucent, add more layers until you get the desired result. You'll still be able to see through it perfectly at the end.
Come on! Kill me, I'm here! Kill me! Come on! Do it now! Kill me, I'm here! Come on! Do it now! Come on! Do it now! Kill me!
Remove the excess to make the inside a little bit cleaner, and then glue a string on the inside edges for you to be able to wear the helmet.
So who's making trophy with who now, huh? I'm joking, of course, because this is a mask that I also made out of cardboard and paper. And if you want to make one to go along with the fantastic helmet you made today, just click this video right here, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next epic build with cardboard. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.